So actually in this video, in this session, we are going to see about the Japanese basics. So who are all have the aspiration to learn Japanese, or who are all interested in learning Japanese? So this video is for them, and this is the basic level. So there will be many candidates with N2 or N3 or N4 level. So this is not required for them. This is either the basic Japanese or the N5 level to start with. Okay, let me start. Actually, in this video, we will see the Japanese scripts. Fine. So if you see here, I have written Hiragana, Katakana and Kanji. So what are these is, so in general, if you take any language, there will be only one script, one written script. So if you say A or A, there will be only one. If A means in English, it is only this word, right? But here, so there are three scripts. And Hiragana and Katakana are like written script, and Kanji is like a pictorial representation. So if you see Japanese words or Chinese words, you can see like a very complicated, it's like a drawing, right? So that is Kanji. Okay. But right now in this session, we are going to see Hiragana and Katakana only. Okay. So let us see. I have a file here. Sorry, give me a minute. Yeah. I'm sorry for that. I mistakenly deleted that file. Okay. So if you see here, uh, this is the Japanese script. So if you see in each box, it is there is Hiragana and Katakana present. Okay, so here in the first box, this first word is Hiragana, the second word is Katakana. Here the first word is Hiragana, second word is Katakana. And if you see, actually the sound, the pronunciation will be similar. And you can ask like why it is like there is only one pronunciation, there is two kind of scripts. So if you ask like that, actually the reason is, in Japanese they are more concerned about their actually that perfection of the language. So actually, if you mix English language, so let us say in either some words in either Hindi or like that, we will mix the word soap. Soap is the bathing soap, like that. So those kind of words will be used directly in Japanese. But for those words which are not a pure Japanese words, they use this katakana script. So you can understand now. So actually this is not required for your exam or something, but if you understand the purpose of it, then I think it will be more easy for you, and you can learn the language on basis of an understanding. So because when I started learning, I got this question. So actually this pronunciation is a. Okay, but if you see here, it is written as a. So actually in this picture, it is given like that: a I u v u e o n. But the pronunciation is not like an English alphabet. This is a, this is e, u, a, o, in. This is ka, sa, ta, na, ha, ma, ya, ra, va. Okay, so this W means it's not a W, and it's wa. Okay, so these readings you can know if you browse in it, you will get the pronunciation and the reading sounds. Okay, and so as I said, for the English word that is mixing in a Japanese sentence, they use katakana. So when you see katakana, you can say like, okay, it is an English word. So the English word should be written there, because see, if we get the if we understand like this is also a, this is also a, then we may assume like, okay, in sometimes we can use this a, sometimes you can use this a. No, it's not like that. For katakana words, you should use when you use katakana words, you should use this a only, and you should know when to use katakana words. Okay, for example, there is a word called office. In pure Japanese, it is called as kaisha. Okay, so for if you write as office itself, you have to write with this a. Okay, not this a. So I think you would have understood. So actually you can learn this, like these are the things. But in case of scripts, it's a usual way of learning. This is just write and practice. And one more advantage in with respect to hiragana and katakana is, it is the you can see the number of characters, number of alphabets is only less.